Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to allow applications the use of our SMS options and applications in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To grant apps permissions to use our SMS options, we have to go to Settings, then we're looking for Security and Privacy option, and under Privacy menu here we have Permission Manager. In Permission Manager we are looking for SMS. Here it is. Right now, 7 out of 10 installed applications on this phone can have access to our SMS. So let's add more. Let's say our Galaxy wearable, allow, back out, and now our Galaxy wearable application is allowed to use our SMS options in our phone. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.